Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living. I'm Gary, and in this video what we're doing is we're taking a gigantic squash that grew in my garden and we're going to bake it in the oven. And we're going to have a roasted, salted edamame, lightly salted, as the topping. Should be interesting. Rather than panko or breadcrumbs, we're trying something else. Roasted edamame. Come and see how this turns out.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food plant-based lifestyle.
What I've done is I've cut a piece of parchment paper to fit this piece here. I've started to cut the squash. I'm cutting in fairly large pieces, about an inch thick. The noise you're hearing is my dogs wanting to come in. That's it. It's a little bit bigger, but it'll be fine. Okay, so then what I do then is I stack them. Now I could use a chia seed binder, but I'm not doing it this time. We're just going to stack these out of the tray. We're just going to use our water. So what we're going to do is we're going to get both of them wet, drop them inside, drop the other side, and put it down. We should use the bigger pieces first. See, it barely fits. Same thing on this side. Make sure that both sides get covered. And it's just repetition. Okay, so you see I'm running out. So what I'm going to do next is make some more of this. Now we put our squash in the center for about 45 minutes. So the timer just rang. And now what we're doing is we're pulling out our delicious squash with edamame topping. No salt, no pepper, no seasoning except for the edamame, a little bit of salt that was added. Now we're going to let this cool. We're going to let this cool and we'll be back in a little bit and then we'll eat it. I'll show you how I eat it. So we waited a little time for the squash to be able to cool down because it was just brilliantly hot out of the oven. So this is basically just cut up squash, dipped in water so that the sauce topping would stay on top. I think they did pretty good. The edamame has kind of added a very unique flavor to it, kind of a nutty flavor. And this would make a really wonderful side dish for people who are carnivores, who are people who aren't vegans, as well as a vegan main dish. I can use this as a foundation for a meal by laying it on the bottom and putting paste picante sauce on the top of it, or even some green tomatillo spicy sauce on top. And this would be a perfect base for my meal, or I can eat it just this way and chop on one of my cuts over here and thoroughly enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this quick short video on how to cut up squash by putting edamame on top and making a totally new taste. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you soon in our next video. Bye bye now.
If you like what you see, subscribe. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.